All right, hey, I'm Firefighter Batty with Station 8. Station 8, we cover the ballpark district, and day 2, we do brunch as a crew. So today we've got some stuffed French toast and some bacon and eggs that we're gonna be cooking up.
So Batty, where do you guys get the majority of your recipes from?
Most of my recipes that I cook are stolen from other people on the job. So early on the job, swinging around, I would find things that I liked that other people cooked, and then I'd take them to like other stations that hadn't had them yet. And it was a good way to kind of expand my repertoire of what I cooked and try new things. And this actually, the stuffed French toast I stole from Jake Wiskowski on Sea Platoon. He's my truck partner, and that's where it came from.
Batty, what happens if while everybody's eating, the entire company gets a call?
We have little plate covers, we throw them over our plates and we go on the call. And if our food's cold when we get back, it gets microwaved, so. So Yeti is a live human scent detection, air scenting certified canine with FEMA, with Utah Task Force 1, our task force here in Utah. And because I could deploy at any moment for natural disasters or whatever, he gets to come to the station with me.
Not only is Yeti a live human scent detection canine, he's also a certified good boy.